Hello, students. I am Santosh. Sir. Again, I want to tell about animal fiber. Do you know about animal fiber? As you know that clothes protect us against heat, cold, rain, dust, and insect. So clothes should be clean and comfortable. So dirty clothes usually stink, breed germs, and cause diseases. And we should not wear the dirty clothes because it can affect the skin and it can cause the diseases. Socks and shoes protect us from protect our feet from germs, cold, and heat and cuts. Shoes should fit well and comfortable. We should not wear wet socks or wet shoes because it can cause disease in our skin. And what is the climates and clothes? We wear clothes according to the climate. In the summer season, we wear loose, light color cotton clothes because cotton clothes allows air to circulate freely and so that the heat of the body escapes. White cotton clothes, generally we wear the white cotton clothes in the summer season because white color कॉटन क्लोथ्स रिफ्लेक्ट द हीट एंड कीप द बॉडी कूल। ये क्योंकि हमारे बॉडी को जो है कि हीट को जो है कि रिफ्लेक्ट करता है और हमारी बॉडी को क्या करता है, ठंडा रखता है। दे एब्जॉर्ब स्वेट एंड ऑल्सो प्रिवेंट स्किन इरिटेशन, और ये हमारे जो है कि पसीने को सोखते हैं और स्किन इरिटेशन से हमको प्रिवेंट रखते हैं। बट इन विंटर सीजन वी नेवर वियर कॉटन क्लोथ्स, we wear different type of the clothes. We wear thick dark colored clothes made of wool, fur or leather. They prevent our body heat from escaping. Dark color clothes absorb heat and keep the body warm. That's why we wear dark color clothes in the winter season. But during the rainy season we usually wear the cotton clothes only. We also use the raincoats, umbrellas and gumboots to keep the dry when we go out in the rain. And now we are going to discuss about the natural fiber. Some of our clothes are made from yarn derived from the animal fiber. जैसा कि जानते हैं कि कुछ हमारे क्लोथ्स जो है कि यार्न से बने होते हैं जो हमें एनिमल से मिलते हैं, और देयर आर दीज आर अ टाइप ऑफ नेचुरल फाइबर. Natural fiber, so animal fiber is also known as the natural fiber, as they often from the nature. Certain fiber are not made from the natural resources. Chemical are used to make such fibers, so these type of the fiber are known as synthetic fibers. Synthetic fiber are made by the human beings. Okay, so in this to make the synthetic fiber, chemicals are used. Okay, so what is a plant fiber? Plant fiber, we get this type of the fiber from the plants, like cotton. Okay, like a cotton. Okay, cotton, fiber, flax, hemp, jute. The base of the plant's fiber is a cellulose. As you know that the base of the plant fiber is a cellulose, and which is material used by the nature as a structural material in the plant's world. Animal fiber is a fiber, natural fiber. It is also natural fiber. We get it from the animals, like we get the wool from the goat, yak, camels and rabbit, and silk is produced by the cocoon speaking spinning silkworm. So directly we can say silk is found by produced by silkworm. And animal fiber are made of protein, the complex compound that form a major part of the bodies of all animals. So we can say here animal fiber are made of protein, but plant fiber is made of cellulose. Okay, now we are going to see here wool. Okay, the hair, what is the wool? We get wool from the, जैसा कि मैंने बताया कि wool जो है हमें we get from goat या camel and rabbit. Okay, so wool comes mainly from the fleece of sheep. Fleece of the sheep. Okay, the hair on the body of wool yielding animals trap a lot of air. Air space between the wool fiber trap air, since air is a poor conductor of heat. Okay, these shield this the body from the cold and keep it warm. That's why woolen clothes are worn in winter. That's why we wear the woolen clothes in winter. हम लोग विंटर सीजन में woolen clothes जो है कि पहनते हैं, क्योंकि हमारे बॉडी को जो है कि हीट को जो है कि स्केप करता है. द फ्लीस ऑफ ए सीप कंसिस्ट ऑफ टू टाइप फाइबर. तो फ्लीस ऑफ सीप में जो है कि दो प्रकार के फाइबर होते हैं, होता है जिसको बोलते हैं कोर्स बियर्ड हेयर, एंड सेकेंड इज अ सॉफ्ट under hair that grow. The coarse beard hair and the fine and soft under hair that grow close to the skin, and the under hair provides the fiber for making wool. Scientists who breed sheep have developed variety of the sheep that only have a soft under hair. Such sheep give not only better quality of the wool, but the yield per sheep is also higher. And other type of the wool we also get from the llama, alpaca, llama, camel. Hair yarn are spun from the fleece of the animals. Okay, and cashmere and so alpaca, llama, and कैमल. दिस फाइबर आर सॉफ्ट एंड वार्म एंड लाइट वेट. ये जो है कि इस प्रकार के फाइबर जो है कि लाइट वेट होते हैं. एंड कैशमेर, कैशमेर इज़ एन एक्सट्रीमली सॉफ्ट एंड ईजी टू डाई फाइबर. ये बहुत ईजी होते हैं और सॉफ्ट होते हैं. एंड दिस रेयर एंड दिस फाइबर इज़ वेरी रेयर एंड एक्सपेंसिव. फाइबर इज कॉम्ड वंस अ ईयर फ्रॉम the bellies of the Kashmir and other goats, so which is found only in the mountain of the China and Tibet. This type of the animals are found in the mountain of the China and Tibet. अंगूरा which is formed from the अंगूरा rabbit. अंगूरा जो है कि फाइबर जो हमें अंगूरा रैबिट से मिलता है, ये भी जो है कि बहुत ही सॉफ्ट फ्लफी होता है एंड वार्म फाइबर होता है. मोहायर द स्पन फ्रॉम द फ्लीस ऑफ द अंगूरा गोट. मोहायर जो है कि हमें अंगूरा गोट से मिलता है, जो कि बहुत ही लाइट वेट होता है. अंगूरा गोट इज़ फाउंड इन द होल हिली रीजन. इस प्रकार के जो है कि अंगूरा जो गोट होता है बकरी, वो जो है कि हिली रीजन में पाए जाते हैं, जैसे जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में. एंड याक उल इज़ अ वेरी पॉपुलर wool, and these type of the animals are found in the Tibet and Ladakh. Uh, what is a rearing? Rearing, do you know? Rearing क्या है? Sheep are reared mainly for their wool. They are mainly reared in the area with the low rainfall. In India, they are mainly reared in the hills of the Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, अरुणाचल प्रदेश एंड सिक्किम. इस प्रकार के जो है कि एनिमल्स जो है कि का जो है कि पालन पोषण जो है कि इन जम्मू कश्मीर का, हिमाचल प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, सिक्किम में किया जाता है. सीप हैव अ लाइफ स्पान ऑफ अबाउट 10 to 12 ईयर्स. इनका जो है कि जीवन काल जो है कि 10 से 12 साल का होता है. दे ईट ग्रास बिकॉज दे आर हर्बीवोरस. Okay, and reared sheep are also fed on the mixture of the pulses, corn, jar, oil, cakes, and minerals. In the winter, they are kept indoor, और इन winter season में इनको हम अंदर रखते हैं and fed on the dry fodder, leaves and grains only. And what is the shearing? Shearing, once a sheep developed a thick coat of the hair. Shearing क्या है? जब एक जो है कि once a sheep developed a thick coat of the hair, थिक कोट ऑफ द डेवलप हो जाता है, तो क्या करते हैं? इट इज़ shaved off of the getting wool. The removal of the wool from the sheep is called shearing. So what is the definition of the shearing? Shearing is the process of the removal of the wool from the sheep is called shearing. It can be done by with the manually with a large razor we use, and with the shearing machine, trimmer. Shearing is also done during the hot season. And scoring, you know what is scoring? Scoring, the sheared hair is moved tubes. ये जो है कि जो sheared hair है, इसको मूव किया जाता है थ्रू ट्यूब्स फिल्ड विद द सोपी वाटर टू रिमूव द डस्ट. अब इसको जो है कि हम लोग एक सोपी वाटर जो है कि ट्यूब में जो है कि डालते हैं, और जिससे डस्ट रिमूव करता है यह. ठीक है. एंड dust, dirt and grease. This is known as scoring. This is then passed through a series of the roller and dryer. एंड आफ्टर दैट सॉर्टिंग. उसके बाद ये कई प्रोसेस होते हैं सॉर्टिंग की. सॉर्टिंग में क्या होता है? सॉर्टिंग कंसिस्ट ऑफ सेपरेटिंग हेयर्स ऑफ द डिफरेंट टेक्सचर. और इस प्रोसेस में हम लोग जो है कि हेयर जो है कि क्या करते हैं, डिफरेंट हेयर्स जो है कि को अलग करते हैं. Removing burr. Burr are soft fluffy fibers in wool. These are removed manually, and after that dyeing, natural hair of the sheep is white, brown or black. So the color of the seared hair is a white, brown or black. So it is dyed in the different colors. That's why it is dying in the different color. And after that we make it yarn. Making yarn. The next the wool is a straightened. उसको सीधा किया जाता है, combed and spun into air. And after spinning the wool is either woven or knitted. And longer fiber are knitted. लंबे लंबे जो फाइबर होते हैं उसको knit किया जाता है into wool for the sweaters. The shorter fiber are woven into woolen clothes. The quality of the wools vary from one breed to sheep to another. The quality is decided on the basis of the thickness, length, size, strength and color of the fiber. So quality जो है कि उसके डिपेंड करती है उसके thickness पर, उसके साइन पर, उसके strength पर, उसके कलर पर भी जो है कि डिपेंड करता है.